Welcome to the personal property tour for 25 Laird Avenue in Methil. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You have 2 reception rooms. You've got a huge conservatory to the rear which gives you really great entertaining space and such a great addition to the home. Finished to a really great standard inside. You have a driveway, so you've got off-street parking for 2 or 3 vehicles, and the garden is beautiful. Can't wait to take you on the tour. So as you will see, this is the driveway. So as I said earlier, you're easily getting 2 or 3 cars in this driveway. What a beautiful day. It's a tad windy, but it's a lovely day. And this is the property. So you make your way over to the entrance. You'll see in front here there's a timber gate, and that takes you through into the rear garden. And then we'll go into the property just here. So this is our entrance, and it takes you straight into the inner hall. And as you'll see, it's lovely and bright when you come into the house. And I'll just take you upstairs. And we'll start in the bedrooms and the bathroom. So upstairs we have 2 good sized bedrooms and the bathroom. So we'll start with the bathroom. So that's straight ahead. So as you can see, it's finished to a great standard. So you've got your inset WC and wash hand basin. You then have your bath with your rainfall shower head, thermostatic control. You can see it's finished really nicely in here. You also have a cupboard in here, so great for your laundry and towels, etc. So off the hallway, we then go into the first of the double bedrooms. So as you'll see, it's a great size double. That's quite a big bed in there as well, so plenty of space. This bedroom overlooks the rear garden. So again, you've got some great space around the back. We'll see that later. That's a wee sneak peek. Got built-in wardrobes, lots of storage. It's a really nice size double. Then go back out into the hallway. And then we go into the main bedroom. So again, a really good sized room. This is a big bed. It's a large king size. You can see you've plenty of space. So lots of space on offer. Really nice big window as well. It's lovely and bright. And then just to your left there, you've got built-in wardrobes as well. So really nice sized room. Plenty of space. And then we will go downstairs. So as we go downstairs, you'll see it's lovely and bright. Just through the inlet in the door. It's letting lots of natural light come through. So lovely bright room. You have a closet here as well for your coats, etc. And then we'll go into the lounge. So the lounge is a great space. You can see how bright it is. So I hope you can see this. It's such a lovely day. So we come into the lounge. It's a really nice sized. Down to the bottom here, we've got a cupboard for storage. But it's a great size space. You see from this angle. Again, lovely big window, lovely and bright. It's a great room. And then off the lounge, you're into the kitchen. So we'll go through to the kitchen. So again, lots of space in here. Great storage. And you can see the way the kitchen's been designed. Really user friendly. Great space, I love the colour. So integrated appliances, you have the double oven, microwave, the dishwasher and white goods that are remaining with the property. You have your hob and extractor above. You've got a little wine fridge and your fridge and freezer, which is great. From the kitchen we go then into the conservatory. This is a fabulous room, really good addition. That's a big table in there as well. It's a great space. Lovely social space actually. You can see it overlooks the garden as well, which is great. So lots of socialising going on in this area. It's a great addition to this family home, I think you'll agree. And from here we go into the garden. So the garden space as well, I've maximised the design of the garden to capture all the sunny spots. So as you will see, if I turn the camera here, that was the gate to the side. from the driveway. So you can see you have a substantial amount here as well. And then as we walk down the pathway, you'll see you've got the kind of patio store area there. Look how beautiful the sun is. You've got a great seating arrangement here as well. So good patio, lovely sociable space. And the way the sun comes, so it's rising at the front of the property and it's working its way around and setting over here. So you literally are getting the sun most of the day in this garden. So you can see the social space that you have here. It's fabulous. They've got their fire pit, so you can see it's been well designed. And then at the bottom of the garden you also have this extended space, which is a real bonus actually. You've got this timber decked area as well, gives you additional storage, social space. So you've got that additional social space, which I think is great. It comes down here, so the garden actually comes quite wide. It comes down to the bottom. So you can see the decked area, conservatory to the rear, and just how wide the garden is. It's just full of sunshine, no matter where you are in it. It's a great space. It's a good length. If I walk down to the corner, you get a better feel for the size of the garden. It really is lovely. So to recap, this is a 2-bedroom semi-detached property, 25 Laird Avenue in Methil. Beautiful inside, fantastic kitchen, got great garden space. You've got off-street parking in the driveway for 2 or 3 vehicles. You've got that beautiful conservatory. I'm just going to let you see that again behind me. It is gorgeous. So you've got this beautiful conservatory, lots of entertaining space, really lovely garden. All you can see is the blue sky behind me. It's in a brilliant location. There's a primary school close by. Literally just down the road, you've got the local amenities. So there's a McCall's, there's a pizza shop, you've got the oven, one of my favourites. Easily commute into Leven, so you can walk to the beach in 15 minutes. You're driving in 5. You've got the swimming pool, all the amenities in the high street, the beach of course, access to the golf clubs. You then, if you go in the opposite direction to Buckhaven, you're on to Kirkcaldy. Great train links. You've got Kirkcaldy train station, you've got Leven train station coming in the very near future. Easy access along to St Andrews in the East Neuk. What more could you ask? This is a beautiful family home. This one is listed with ourselves. It offers over £130,000. If it's of interest to you, feel free to message me here directly. Alternatively, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. This is Perry at Fife Properties TV. Have a great day. Bye bye.